Welcome to this video session. Dear students, in this session we are going to learn about population dynamics. Population is a dynamic phenomenon that grows in size over time. However, the area where the population has to get accommodated is static. Why does population grow rapidly? What will happen if it grows out of proportion? In this area, we are going to learn a part of population dynamics. Overpopulation, its positive and negative impacts. Overpopulation is the condition when the number of people living within the geographical territory of a country is so large that the available resources of that country are not enough to support the population. Positive impacts of overpopulation. Large population with adequate literary and good health status always proves beneficial to the growth of a country. Pool of human resources. Large number of people are readily available to work, and these people are ready to work on lower wages, thereby reducing inflation. And another advantage is cheaper products. Products of daily use are available at lower prices as the per capita production cost is low. As a result, supply is also large, thereby further lowering the prices. As every coin has its two sides, overpopulation has its two effects. One is positive, another is negative. Now let us discuss negative impacts of overpopulation. Overpopulation without proper education and poor health can be a huge burden to the country. Lack of resources. The first and foremost impact of overpopulation is pressure on the available natural resources. Due to large population, the natural resources are overutilized and as a result get polluted. Degradation in quality of life. More resources are required to serve large population, but the lack of resources leads to degradation in the quality of human life. There is lack of water availability, less land for human settlement, and food shortage. All these factors lower the quality of human lives. Besides this, increased deforestation is another problem. As land is required to fulfill the food demand and also for building houses, forests are cut on large scale to provide land for these human activities. Another defect is rise in unemployment. A country with overpopulation faces difficulty in providing employment. As there is a large number of people for fewer jobs, lack of employment also results in other social evils. Thank you for you viewing this video, and in the next video we will learn more about it. Thank you very much.